Everybody, what's up? Want to go through a little demo of the Market Master SaaS AI Master videos. So, your home screen. Right here's the home screen. Go to AI Master videos. Now you got an option. You can go from website or text or custom. So, do an example of description. Promo for new software. Got the AI Chatbot Master. You could set up, create a chatbot, put it on your website. Pretty powerful, man. Test one. Create. Here's where they give you the code. So you would copy the code to your clipboard, and then you would go and embed it on your website. Do a video on that, farther in detail on that here soon. No tickets available. You can do settings, AI settings, put the knowledge base. You can train it, teach it everything it needs to know about your website. You can customize the chatbot setting itself, the color, the name.
Introducing the game-changing software that will revolutionize your workflow. Unleash your productivity with features designed to make your tasks easier, faster, and more efficient than ever before. Experience the smooth, intuitive interface that adapts perfectly to your needs. Stay ahead of the curve with cutting-edge technology at your fingertips. Empower your team with our state-of-the-art solution that streamlines collaboration and boosts creativity. Don't miss out. Transform the way you work with our new software today.
Pretty slick. This is what I like about it. You can go in and a lot of other the AI video companies don't let you do too much editing with it. So you can go in, you can go to advanced settings, logo, photorealism, kinds of different little stuff you can do, music, you can do all that. But and you can go in, you can change the scenes if you want. If you want to change the script for each scene, you can change out the pictures of it and all that stuff, the videos, put your own video clips in there. So, you know what I mean? You can just swap something out. Work with our new software. Sound. Switch that out. Hit regenerate. Made right there.
Introducing the game-changing software that will revolutionize your workflow. Unleash your productivity with features designed to make your tasks easier, faster, and more efficient than ever before. Experience the smooth, intuitive interface that adapts perfectly to your needs. Stay ahead of the curve with cutting-edge technology at your fingertips. Empower your team with our state-of-the-art solution that streamlines collaboration and boosts creativity.
See you on the next one.